Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Trade and Dance. In this channel, with the help of ICT Concepts, I aim to provide daily reviews, executions, live setups and live sessions. Before we dive into these, it's important to explain my strategy first. Stay tuned as I break down my approach to trading and share insights that can help you on your trading journey. I use a daily trading strategy, primarily focusing on EURUSD pair. Basically, I can divide the trades into two parts: continuation trades and reversal trades. This is a continuation trade type. This is a reversal trade type. The approach for these two trades are same. For both of these trade types, a few common rules are followed. Trades are open after 8:30 New York AM Standard Time. The main analyzing time frame is 15 minutes. Execution time frames vary from 1 minute to 5 minutes. Wait for the price to respect the 15-minute PDRA after the 8:30 AM New York Open. The DXY chart is also incorporated into executions, and trades are only performed if the DXY supports the price direction. Let's go into the explanation of a continuation trade pattern. First of all, I will mark all the PDRAs in the 15-minute time frame before or near the 8:30 AM New York opening. Examples of 15-minute PDRAs include order blocks, fair value gaps, breakers, and equal highs and equal lows. Then I will wait for the price to respect any of these PDRAs. Once this happens, I will move to lower time frame. First, I waited for a market structure shift to take place in the lower time frame. Simultaneously, a full body candle must pass through and close beyond the previously used fair value gap. If both these criteria are satisfied, I move to the next confirmation, that is DXY chart. The DXY must show a market structure shift in the direction that supports the trade. If all these criteria are satisfied, then I take the trade, setting the stop loss at the last swing high or low, that is this area. So my main target is the next 15-minute external liquidity. Let's talk about some example for a continuation trade pattern. In this day, after the 8:30, price respected this 15-minute fair value gap and 15-minute OB, which are the PDRAs of the 15-minute time frame. Then price run for a external level liquidity. So when the price is doing this respect, then we will move into the lower time frame. Here is the 1 minute time frame. So price came and respected the 15-minute OB and the fair value gap, then it will rejected from that 15-minute PDRA. So we can see that there is a full body candle formed here after the previously used fair value gap. So our other two criteria are satisfied, that is market structure shift and the full body candle placed after the fair value gap. So if those two cases are satisfied, then we will move into the DXY chart. At the very same time, DXY chart given a market structure shift to the down, then all the criteria are satisfied, so can take a trade. In this here, the last swing is here, and the targets are the external liquidities. This is one of the external liquidity and the other one. So we can take a trade by putting SL here and entries here, targeting this external liquidity. Next one is the reversal trade pattern. After making all the 15-minute PD arrays, if the price took any external liquidity after the 8:30 open, then as previous move into the lower time frame. The external liquidity can be old highs and lows, order blocks, fair value gaps, etc. Once this happens, I move into the lower time frame charts. First, I wait for market structure shift to take place in the lower time frame. Simultaneously, a full body candle must pass through the and close beyond the previously used fair value gap. If both of these conditions are met, then I move to the next confirmation, that is DXY chart. The DXY must show a market structure shift in the direction that supports the trade. If all these criteria are satisfied, I will take the trade. So in this example, I will take a short trade by putting my SL here and targeting the internal liquidity. Let's see some example for a reversal trade pattern. In this day, after the 8:30, price took the old high here and reverse. So after the 8:30, price respected this external liquidity. Then we will move on to the lower time frames. In the lower time frames, we will wait price to go through and close the previously used fair value gap. That is occurred in 9 past 19 AM New York, and market structure shift also occurred here. This is the market structure shift. Then if those two criteria are met, then we will move into the DXY chart. At the very same time, in the DXY chart, it gives market structure shift to the up. So that is the supporting direction of this trade. So at this very point, we are taking trade by putting SL near the swing high and targeting the internal liquidity. That is the middle level of this premium and discount. What can we do if the continuation or reversal trade fails? Lower time frame inversion fair value gap is very important factor. Simply, I will explain this situation directly from example. In this day, after 8:30, price came and took this external level liquidity. So this very thing happens, then we move into the lower time frame. In the lower time frame, we mark our previously used fair value gap as this. So after price taken this external level liquidity, it went high and through the fair value gap. So market structure shift also occurred here. Then at the very time our all the criteria are satisfied, and then we move into the DXY. In the DXY also at the same time market structure shift occurs to the downside. So our all the criteria are finished and satisfied, and then we can take a trade for a upside, that is a long trade. But here what is happening is it went small up and comes against, and this is my SL, and at this level price hit the SL level, so that is a lost trade. But here price rejected very strongly from the inversion fair value gap and took my SL. So in these kind of situations we can take a trade at the first fair value gap after my SL hit, that is here, by targeting external liquidity. So I hope that clears up it, and if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to the channel. Turn on notification bell so that you know when I am post a video, and thank you very much guys for your support. Be safe.